Hi, James Earls here. I'm really looking forward to teaching one of my favourite workshops, Born to Walk, in one of the most beautiful and exciting cities in the world, Athens, at the end of September. So 30th of September, the 1st of October, with my wonderful host, Alex. So we'll be looking at why we walk the way that we do. So a lot of comparative anatomy, evolutionary anatomy, and particularly looking at true functional anatomy, how the body interrelates and interacts through itself. So we'll be exploring the relationship between the big toe, the ankle, the knee, the front of the hip, into the low back and into the thorax. Not any of it in isolation, but how all of it works together to create movement efficiency and effectiveness, and how it might be really useful to explore distal areas for your clients and where they might be complaining. So I hope you can join us, and there should be a link in this post.